Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW X1 guys with a 6-cylinder engine, you may have a silver or black valve cover guys, but the procedure is the same. 6-cylinder gasoline engine, X1 guys, engine N51, N52, and you're trying to find where your crankcase breather valve is located, also known as oil separator valve guys, or PCV valve. Stay with us and we'll cover that today. We'll explain where it's located, what needs to be done to get to it, and how to remove and replace that thing guys. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMW guys, we make more than 400 to 500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information to you. If you guys need to buy a new valve, replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. We will share it for your convenience. So specifically guys, here we have a N52 engine guys. This is actually on a 3 Series BMW, but the same engine has been used in X1, X3, 3 Series BMW, 1 Series BMW, 5 Series, one of the most popular engines ever built guys between years 2005 and years 2015 guys. So now, things to consider before you start working on your crankcase breather valve guys. You will need to disconnect the car battery guys. Okay. Disconnect the car battery the correct way, because if you do not disconnect, there is a specific order you disconnect the terminals, negative and positive. If you don't know about that, we'll have the video in the description of the video below. Check out the link guys, because if you don't disconnect it correctly, you can burn your engine computer, you can cause damage to electrical system, airbag system, so it's quite complicated guys. Next, you will need to disconnect the battery, because we will be working super close to the alternator positive wire and the starter wire, and you will need to remove your intake manifold. Some of you probably know how to do that. If you don't worry guys, we have the whole very long detailed video how to do it, and we'll share the link in the description of the video below guys, how to do that. So once you guys remove the intake manifold on the lower side right here, underneath guys, what do you have? That valve guys. That valve is called the crankcase breather valve. It has 3 hoses attaching to it. One is the lower hose that goes to the oil pan right there, this hose right here. Then you have guys, okay, this upper hose. The upper hose actually goes on the back side of the valve cover, okay, back there. And then you have this hose right here that connects to the intake manifold, and this is the angle connector guys with the heating element. So I would recommend to replace the whole system. When you replace it, get the new hoses, even get a new heating element here, angle connector, and the new valve. How you remove that valve? Pretty simple. Right here guys, you have 3 screws. Let me show you. 1 screw here, 1 screw on the bottom. You remove that bracket, and there is 1 more hidden screw, and all that guys will come out and you will be able to replace it. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you need help with anything else, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.